In today's blog, we are talking about how to get cleaning contracts with car dealerships. Car dealers are pretty popular among cleaning services. They have to keep the building looking nice for customers and have a lot of foot traffic to make it dirty. Some of the services you can sell are daily janitorial services, floor cleaning, carpet cleaning, and tile and grout restoration. Public restroom cleaning is also very important. This is a retail business. The best way to contact retail businesses will always be with door-to-door sales. The reason is, buildings are open to the general public and managers are easily accessible. We can find out information quickly and qualify them as a prospect. First, we will go over what tactics do not work. LinkedIn marketing. If you do a quick search on LinkedIn, you will see very few active members. SEO marketing. The search volume is super low for car dealership cleaning, maybe a couple per month. Advertising in general. The number of car dealer managers in most markets is extremely small. Chances of one seeing your ad is very slim. Door-to-door sales will be number one. The reasons are the building is open to the general public and general managers are easily accessible. Most dealers will have a reception desk you can visit for information. Phone sales is number two, simply because car dealers are spread out and can take a lot of time driving to a list of them. Plus, we can qualify the prospect for other campaigns. Email marketing is great when you know for sure the email address of the person in charge. Direct mail can be very effective when you know the prospect's name. Most managers and owners are going to be over 40 years old, remember, and might not be in the digital world actively.